Honorable Vice Minister of the Village Ministry, Honorable Vice Governor of Bali, Honorable Ministry Representative, Rectors, figure, Honorable distinguished speakers from all over the world, as well as community participants, and all participants of Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village. First of all, let us say our gratitude to God Almighty for His blessing that we can gather today through Zoom meeting to participate Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village, which is held from 11 September until 13 September 2020. Bollywood Indonesia and Institute Technology and Business Tikon Bali is proud to present Bollywood World Stakeholder Partner from various continents to share their knowledge and experience in film, media content, animation, games, film tourism, digital platform to augmented reality beside to have future collaboration on the mission of Bollywood Land, a new world film cultural village to all creative communities of the world, Bali, and Indonesia. Bollywood Web Conference International Film Village, attended by 30 countries and world speakers from CEO, expert, industry, entrepreneur to researcher, but also feel and supported by local stakeholders from Udayana University, the village government, Abian Sumaldau Chani Badung, Bali government, and some Indonesian Ministry and LIPI, or Indonesia Institute of Sciences. The Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village is broadcast for 3 days on Village TV via satellite free to air Nusantara 1 and Telkom 4, as well as new channel via the ChinaSat FTA satellite, as well as live YouTube channel on Stick-Commerce TV and TV Dosa on Terus, and as well as application live at Genflix. It will be watched by million audience, of course, and the Bollywood International Web Conference record tapping links will be also distributed to more than 20,000 director, manager, producer, worldwide film marketplace. From Bali, for Indonesia Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village dedicated to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, to start our opening ceremony, let us view Bollywood traditional puppet welcoming, collaboration Bollywood and Abian Sumaldau Yehkani Village.
Hello, everybody. Ah, here we are at the Bollywood Land. Bollywood Land. It's a very, very fantastic things in the village. We welcome all of you in our village that's called Sumaldau Yehkani Village. That is the projects of Bollywood Land.
Hi, hello.
Oh my God, there is a tourist come. Hello, madam.
Oh, okay. Oh,
How? What is your name, madam?
oh, my name is Alisa from Australia.
Oh my God, welcome, welcome to Bollywood Land. What can I do for you, madam?
Oh, I heard it's a very, very nice place. It's a very good place. It's a very, very creative place. Bollywood Land, I would like to come. I love to come.
Let's go, let's go. We will give you a very, very different experience in your life.
Okay, let's go.
Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya. Well, Your Majesty, a very honorable Mr. Wamen, thank you very much for joining this program. And then the Honorable Mr. Vice Governor of Bali. It's very, very great pleasure to have Mr. in this program and then to support the Bali Woodland. And then the Honorable Mr. Dadang, Stikom, Bali, and ladies and gentlemen, we thank you very much for this program, the Bali Woodland International Web Conference. So, I am Iwayan Stama, the major village of Abian Small Village, where Bali Woodland is. So, we are very, very happy. We are very, very appreciate about this program. This is a really, really brilliant idea to support our citizens that will perform for Bali to Indonesia, that is for the world. So we thank you very much. And then we wait for the programs, for the project will be started. Thank you very much. Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Om.
Thank you, Mr. Wayan Sutama. Ladies and gentlemen, next let us view a video entitled Bali New Era from the Balinese Province Governor. Enjoy the video.
Inovasi sehingga dapat menarik minat pengunjung. Selain itu, desa wisata juga membutuhkan manajemen pengelolaan yang baik dan rapi untuk mendapatkan manfaat yang optimal bagi seluruh masyarakat desa. Kehadiran Bali Woodland menjadi jembatan untuk memajukan dan menggali potensi-potensi unggulan desa, baik berupa kebudayaan, kekayaan alam, maupun peninggalan bersejarah. Beragam potensi tersebut kemudian dapat dipromosikan kepada masyarakat global melalui kemajuan teknologi dan informasi. Saya menyambut baik hadirin yang saya hormati. Dalam rangka meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat Bali secara berkelanjutan dan merata,
Ladies and gentlemen, we are very sorry for the technical issue. So we move to the next schedule. Kindly we invited CEO Bollywood Indonesia and Miraselova Screen Institute, Dr. R. Arvin I. Miraselova SE, MSc, CAPM, to deliver a welcoming speech. The time is yours.
Thank you, Mrs. Putri. Thank you.
Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, salam sejahtera, namo buddhaya, salam kebudayaan. Thank you and big appreciate for the presence of the Vice Minister of the Village Ministry, Vice Governor of Bali, Ministry Representative, Rector, figures, distinguished speakers from all over the world, as well as community participants. A blessing and pride to all of us. The new era of the world today, although still in a transforming challenge situation, but along with the digital media era and new horizon content production on a micro budget worldwide, based on the rapid development of digital horizontal platform and immersive technology, becomes a hidden potential blessing for the island of Bali. And optimism of global transformation that is not the pseudo transformation behind the challenge of circumstances. A global transformation requires breakthroughs and innovations, especially from the village. The emergence of Bollywood Land, a village brand strength through the agreement of ecosystem vision with its world stakeholders, as well as global production modeling activities in the village, has been done. Modeling the adventure journey of eco-friendly, nature-based film park combined with digital innovation and ongoing efforts to transform cultural studios in the village into film studios and living space with village hospitality. It became the idea of the birth of a new global icon from the village and island of Bali as a gateway to the integration of other potential regions in the Indonesia archipelago. Bali, as a cross-cultural region of the world and its local cultural power, makes Bollywood Land development a new, different content industry thematic and unique tourism film area based on natural, culture, and tradition, combining the creativity of community empowerment and digital innovation. The film village of Bollywood Land development is different from other beautiful film villages, such as Popeye Village in Malta, Kyuton Film Village in the Netherlands, to even the film village of Hengdian in mainland China. Bollywood Land is not to be Hollywood and neither Bollywood or China would. But Bollywood Bali Indonesia, from its local energy, unites all into a new content culture of the world with a fresh outlook and a new model of eco-film tourism in the new world era. Through a world friendship activity from Bali today, namely the first Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village, as a historical journey of the future, it is not only an opportunity for the world stakeholders to share knowledge and encourage the local community, but also the same optimism, spirit of vision to build Bollywood land, a new world era together. Thank you. Matur suksma, terima kasih. Thank you also. We like to say for our media partners, TV Desa, T-Commerce TV, and Genflix Live. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi Santi Om. Salam sejahtera. Namo Buddhaya. Terima kasih juga saya sampaikan kepada NU Channel. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum.
Hadirin yang saya hormati, dalam rangka meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat Bali secara berkelanjutan dan merata, kita perlu mengembangkan berbagai potensi yang dimiliki oleh masyarakat. Salah satunya adalah potensi desa yang dapat dikembangkan menjadi sebuah daya tarik wisata berbasis budaya dan masyarakat. Pengembangan potensi desa wisata membutuhkan kreativitas dan inovasi sehingga dapat menarik minat pengunjung. Selain itu, desa wisata juga membutuhkan manajemen pengelolaan yang baik dan rapi untuk mendapatkan manfaat yang optimal bagi seluruh masyarakat desa. Kehadiran Bollywood Land menjadi jembatan untuk memajukan dan menggali potensi-potensi unggulan desa, baik berupa kebudayaan, kekayaan alam, maupun peninggalan bersejarah. Beragam potensi tersebut kemudian dapat dipromosikan kepada masyarakat global melalui kemajuan teknologi dan informasi. Saya menyambut baik cara mempromosikan dan menggali potensi-potensi desa seperti apa yang dilakukan oleh Bollywood Land dan menekankan bahwa warga desa sudah siap menjadi desa wisata dunia, desa film ikon dunia berbasis budaya. Saya berharap Bollywood Land mampu mengembangkan desa-desa di Bali dan menjadikan ikon-ikon unik bertaraf internasional sehingga mendatangkan keuntungan secara ekonomi dan sosial. Saya juga berharap agar masyarakat desa dilibatkan secara intens dalam program Bollywood Land ini. Masyarakat desa harus tampil sebagai subjek, bukan sebagai objek semata-mata. Mereka harus menjadi pelaku dalam upaya mengembangkan desanya, bukan sekedar menjadi penonton. Ini penting dilakukan agar Bollywood Land menjadi milik bersama masyarakat Bali.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a welcoming greet, let us enjoy special traditional welcoming dance from Institute Technology and Business Tikon Bali. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next, we will have a short greeting, Bali New Era and Bollywood. The first one is from Miss Irene and Gironenci, PhD from Swinburne University of Technology, Australia. The time is yours.
Distinguished speakers, moderators, and participants, I'm Irene Gironacci from Swinburne University of Technology. It is a great pleasure for me to be here and to contribute to the new era of digital transformation with Bollywood Land. Let's build the future together.
Thank you, Miss Irene. And the second one is from Mrs. Vasilina Petrova from Javada Film Ltd, Bulgaria. The time is yours.
Hello, everyone. Hello from Bulgaria. I'm Vasilina Petrova from Javada Film, and I would like to wish everyone here event that we will remember with the cooperation between all of us who lives and work in a different part of the world. I really love and appreciate the honor to be part of this conference. Thanks to the organizers of this amazing event for the hospitality, and I wish Bollywood Land in the next years to be home of many films and co-productions, and we all together to heal the world after the current pandemic. I believe that if we work together in common and think in the same direction, we will be stronger than any virus. Na dobar čas and благодаря. It means in Bulgaria, best of luck and thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Vasilina. And the last one is from Mr. S. Sridhar, Head of Telic Studio from UK, Serbia. The time is yours.
Good afternoon to you all. I would like to welcome the following persons: the Honorable Vice Minister of the Village Ministry, the Vice Governor of Bali, Lecturer of ITB STICOM Bali, Film and TV and Animation Director, Secretary General of the Manpower Ministry, the Village Mayor, and of course, Dr. Arvind. Special thanks to Dr. Arvind's hard work to assemble such a lot of creative persons who will share their knowledge and experiences during the next 3 days. I feel privileged to be a member of the speakers team. I trust this collaboration and the interesting discussions will lead to a lot of co-productions and films in Bali in the coming years. Thanks again and welcome to you all.
Thank you, Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, next kindly be invited Rector of Institute Technology and Business Stikom Bali, Dr. Dadang Hermawan, to deliver a welcoming speech. The time is yours.
Oke, thank you, Miss Putri. Yang saya hormati Pak Wamen, Desa dan PDTT, Bapak Budi Ari Setiadi, yang saya hormati Sekjen Kemenaker RI, Bapak Anwar Sanusi, yang saya hormati Pak Kadis PMD atau yang mewakili PMD Bali, yang saya hormati Bapak Perbekal Abian Semal, Pak Wayan Sutama, yang saya hormati Mr. Arvin, CEO Bollywood Land, and guests of honor, distinguished speakers, moderator, and participant, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. It is my great pleasure to greet all attendees of participating countries from 5 continents in the world, include our beloved country, Indonesia. It gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 2020 International Web Conference of Film and Village. Ladies and gentlemen, Stikom Bali has been developing rapidly. For 17 years, This educational institution was under the name of STEMIC Stikom Bali, and since then, in just 70 months, has been transformed into Institute Technology and Business Stikom Bali, or ITB Stikom Bali. The institution has been the first institution updating the development of technology and knowledge of numerous information system, programming, and application, which are mostly inspired and enriched by Balinese culture. Among 5 academic programs, we have information system that has multimedia and film as one of the existing concentration. The multimedia and film concentration has been developing animation film recently, and this year, Stikom Bali is developing state-of-the-art academic program. Digital business that encourage students to enhance the business model nowadays by using technology. Another improvement, we are proudly telling you about our progressing broadcasting unit, Sticommerce TV, which is the core team of this conference committee. They are the generator of this event. We appreciate them for their encouragement to make this program success. We are open to any cooperation or collaboration which is possibly developing from this international conference to maintain our international friendship just create from this very special event. We are very glad to conduct this conference together with our good friend, Bollywood Indonesia, and also by the great support from several stakeholders among them. But also to strengthen collaboration and provide to forum for academicians, professionals, and researchers to discuss and exchange their research results, innovative ideas, and experiences, especially to advance the file to apply technology on film, media content, animation, games, augmented reality, digital platform, and also on film tourism. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to the members of the organizing committee, the program committee, and in particular to all speakers, every single part that has dedicated contribution from the very beginning until the accomplishment of this great event. Finally, it's an opportunity time for me to wish you beneficial event on the 2020 International Web Conference on Film and Village. Enjoy and discover the friendship in this conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Dedang Hermawan, for the welcoming speech to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next, kindly be invited Honorable Vice Governor of Bali Province, Professor Dr. Insinyur Djoko Oke Arta Ardana Sukawati, MSI, to deliver an opening speech. The time is yours.
Kepada panitia penyelenggara dan para peserta web conference, izinkan saya menyampaikan permakluman dan permohonan maaf dari Bapak Wakil Gubernur Bali yang sedianya hari ini beliau hadir pada acara ini, namun karena ada kegiatan yang tidak dapat dihindari dan tidak dapat diwakilkan, maka saya, Kepala Dinas PMD Provinsi Bali, ditugaskan untuk menyampaikan sambutan yang sudah beliau persiapkan. Selanjutnya, saya akan membacakan sambutan beliau. Yang terhormat Bapak Wakil Menteri Desa Pembangunan Daerah Tertinggal dan Transmigrasi Republik Indonesia, Yang saya hormati Bapak Sekretaris Jenderal Kementerian Tenaga Kerja RI, Direktur Film, TV, Animasi, Industri Kreatif, dan Deputi Ekonomi Digital dan Produk Kreatif Kementerian Pariwisata dan Ekonomi Kreatif Republik Indonesia. Yang saya hormati Bapak Sandiaga Uno, yang saya hormati CEO Bollywood Indonesia dan Miracle Pascreen Institute, yang saya hormati Rektor ITB Stikom Bali, serta para narasumber mancanegara Asia, Eropa, Amerika, dan Australia, juga narasumber dari dalam negeri yang mewakili Universitas Udayana, LIPI, Desa Film, Komunitas, dan lain-lain. Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, Namo Buddhaya. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Salam kebajikan, Rahayu. Sebagai umat beragama, pertama-tama marilah kita menghaturkan puja, pengastuti, dan sesanti Angayu Bagya kehadapan Ida Sang Hyang Widewasa, Tuhan yang Maha Esa, karena atas asung kertawarunugrahonya kita dapat hadir bersama dalam rangka pelaksanaan World Conference Dunia Desa Film Bollywood dalam keadaan sehat dan dalam suasana penuh kebersamaan. Hadirin sekalian yang saya hormati, saya sangat memahami bahwa saat ini adalah saat yang sangat berat bagi kita semua, terutama bagi para pekerja teknis produksi film. Namun saya berharap kondisi pandemi COVID-19 tidak membuat para pembuat film, pelaku industri film, serta penggiat komunitas film menjadi berkecil hati. Kita semua berharap kondisi ini tidak membuat kita patah semangat. Justru sekarang saatnya kita ditantang berpikir kreatif, menggunakan inovasi teknologi untuk terus berkarya dan menebarkan manfaat kepada masyarakat. Dan ternyata tantangan tersebut telah terjawab dengan diselenggarakannya World Conference Dunia Desa Film Bollywood ini. Kegiatan ini membuktikan bahwa insan perfilman tidak berhenti dan tidak menyerah untuk tetap berkreasi dan berinovasi dalam menjalankan peran dan fungsinya sebagai mediator, komunikator, dan edukator yang memberikan manfaat bagi masyarakat di saat terjadi pandemi COVID-19 ini. Terhadap hal ini, tentu saya tidak lupa untuk memberikan apresiasi yang setinggi-tingginya kepada pihak penyelenggara dan semua unsur yang terlibat di dalamnya. Hadirin sekalian yang saya hormati, selanjutnya, bila kita berbicara tentang film, tentu tidak bisa lepas untuk berbicara tentang kemajuan teknologi, khususnya kemajuan teknologi informasi dan komunikasi. Kemajuan teknologi informasi dan komunikasi ini telah membuka babak baru bagi masyarakat untuk mengakses informasi secara mudah dan cepat. Setiap orang memiliki akses terhadap sumber informasi dimanapun di dunia ini. Semua ini membawa konsekuensi masyarakat menjadi kritis dan tanggap terhadap hal yang berkembang. Kemajuan teknologi informasi dan komunikasi yang telah dicapai saat ini benar-benar telah diakui dan dirasakan memberikan banyak kemudahan dan kenyamanan bagi kehidupan umat manusia. Kemajuan teknologi ini juga merambah ke dunia film. Karena produksi film saat ini tidak terlepas dari unsur teknologi di dalamnya. Film yang selalu bergerak sejalan dengan perubahan teknologi mempunyai satu unsur penting dalam tampilannya, yaitu gambar. Teknologi kamera yang pada awalnya hanya mampu menangkap gambar berkembang menerus dengan kualitas dan inovasi yang berbeda, sehingga mampu menangkap dan merekam gambar yang bergerak, bukan hanya memotret objek diam semata. Kemajuan penting lainnya yang nampak pada film di era teknologi ini adalah di mana pada awalnya film ditampilkan dalam format layar yang besar, kemudian bergerak ke medium yang lebih kecil seperti televisi, layar komputer, dan laptop, dan saat ini semakin kecil pada tampilan perangkat mobile phone. Fenomena digital ini sangat mempengaruhi masyarakat dalam mengkonsumsi informasi dan hiburan. Di samping itu, saat ini film telah menunjukkan peranan dan jasa yang berarti dalam kehidupan manusia. Hadirin sekalian yang saya hormati, berkat film, realitas kehidupan diperdekat. Manusia dapat saling mengetahui dan mempelajari berbagai aspek kehidupan suatu bangsa hanya dengan menyaksikan satu film. Dampak ini memperlihatkan kemungkinan-kemungkinan menjadikan film yang begitu besar terhadap suatu realitas dan proses realitas kehidupan suatu bangsa, sehingga film seharusnya bisa menjadi media promosi dan komunikasi yang memberikan fungsi penerangan, pendidikan, pengembangan budaya dan ekonomi, selain juga memberikan fungsi hiburan kepada masyarakat. Khususnya fungsinya sebagai media komunikasi, pengembangan budaya bangsa suatu negara. Pengenalan teknologi film harus merupakan interaksi yang menghasilkan pengkayaan nilai-nilai budaya dan bukan menghancurkan kekayaan nilai-nilai budaya bangsa lainnya. Oleh sebab itu, dalam melestarikan nilai-nilai budaya bangsa, kemajuan teknologi perfilman haruslah dibangun berdasarkan komitmen dan keseimbangan antara ilmu, nilai, dan seni, antara fakta, fiksi, dan ilusi, antara pelestarian, pengembangan, dan pemberdayaan, dan antara akal, kesadaran, serta keindahan dengan tetap menjaga kelokalan budaya masing-masing. Hal ini sejalan dengan grand design dari pembangunan Bali ke depan, menuju ke dalam tatanan kehidupan baru yang holistik yang disebut dengan Bali Era Baru, di mana kebudayaan sebagai hulu yang menjiwai segala aspek pembangunan Bali dan sebagai basis serta pilar utama pembangunan perekonomian masyarakat Bali. Akhirnya, dengan melihat sosok para narasumber yang sangat mumpuni di bidangnya dengan berbagai topik yang akan disajikan masing-masing, saya berkeyakinan bahwa penyelenggaraan web conference ini akan memberikan manfaat yang besar kepada masyarakat sebagaimana harapan kita semua. Terutama dalam rangka memajukan dan mempromosikan potensi-potensi unggulan desa yang meliputi aspek pariwisata, adat istiadat, seni dan budaya, serta potensi ekonomi desa lainnya untuk selanjutnya dapat di-blow up ke permukaan masyarakat global melalui film yang terus bergerak maju sejalan dengan kemajuan teknologi yang senantiasa berkembang secara pesat dan cepat. Hadirin sekalian yang saya hormati, demikian beberapa hal yang dapat saya sampaikan dalam kesempatan yang baik ini. Selamat melaksanakan web conference. Semoga Ida Sang Yang Widiwasa, Tuhan Maha Esa, senantiasa memberikan bimbingan dan tuntunan kepada kita semua. Sekian dan terima kasih. Om Santi, Santi, Santi. Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rahayu. Wakil Gubernur Bali, Cok Oko Agung Sukawati. Terima kasih.
Thank you for the opening speech. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next, kindly be invited Honorable Vice Minister of Village Ministry of the Republic Indonesia, Mr. Budi Ari Setiadi, to deliver a speech, opening speech, and also open the conference. The time is yours.
Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Om Swastiastu. Salam, nama budaya, kebajikan, dan salam Pancasila. The Honorable Vice Governor of Bali Province, CEO of Bollywood Indonesia, and Mina Chova Screen Institute, Bologna University, Professor Luisa Daliaqua, all of Bollywood International Web Conference of Village Film 2020 participants and the audience as well. First of all, let us thank God for all His blessing and kindness, because we are here today to attend the Bollywood International Web Conference of Village Film 2020. Indonesia taken leapfrog on village development. Within 4 years, the village development exceed target of national medium-term planning above the target of 6,518 disadvantaged villages, elevate into developing village, and 2,465 developing villages become self-reliant village. Opportunity to acknowledge Indonesian village film have been increased due to increasing of village internet accessibilities. The digital village trend is marked by the increase of village fund internet allocation to as much as only 119 billion annually. The competition of the West, Center, and the East Papua Ring will provide internet access for all the 74,953 villages. Ministry of Village Development of this disadvantaged region and transmigration support village film with the digital technologies. Village funds are used to finance program to activities for village community empowerment, which is aimed at increasing the capacity and capability of rural communities. In terms of science and technology, appropriate technology and new invention for the economic and agricultural improvement by utilizing their own potential and resource. There are more than 10,000 village innovation film complied by Ministry of Village Development of disadvantaged region and transmigration. The film are important item for scaling up good idea to other 1,000 villages. Most innovation is in the entrepreneurship sector, and infrastructure sector is the most increased village innovation. Village innovation video are main tools of Academy Desa 4.0. It is a learning management system developed by Ministry of Village Development of disadvantaged region and transmigration. Within the platform, the film have enhanced villagers' good information and increasing motivation to develop their own village. Finally, today on the Friday, 11 September 2020, by the God blessing, I officially open Bollywood International Conference of Village Film 2020. We hope the God Almighty will give His blessing for us. Om Santi Santi Om. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the opening speech and also the opening conference from Mr. Budi Aris Setiadi, Vice Minister of Village Ministry of the Republic Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, next kindly be invited Honorable Secretary General of Men of Power Ministry of the Republic Indonesia, Mr. Anwar Sanusi, PhD, to deliver a welcoming speech. The time is yours.
Okay, thank you very much for Miss Moderators, ya. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good afternoons, Om Swastiastu, and ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I have to catch up with my schedule to fly to Bali actually. So that's why I would like give my short speech in my car the way to airport. Honorable the Vice Governor of Bali, and then also Honorable Vice Ministers, Ministry of Villages, Disadvantaged Region and Transmigration, Bapak Budi Aris Setiadi, Honorable all guest speakers, and ladies and gentlemen. So it is my great honors to give a speech, a very short speech in front of very sorry. Actually, I already prepared for my presentation. I try to connect two issues. Actually, one issue is about the villages, the place that I already worked for almost for more than five years as a Secretary General, and then with employment or maybe in human resources, the place that currently I'm working also as a Secretary General. I give a speech about the issue actually as dismigrative. Desmigrative is Indonesian is desa migration. Desa migration is a issue that actually we propose as a solution to prevent the urbanization, the migration from the village to the cities, from the village to the other countries. So this program actually is already established as a joint cooperation between two ministries, Ministry of Villages and then also Ministry of Manpower. So through this program, we provide some of like a training to improve the capacity from the laborers that already returned back to Indonesia. So that's the kind of there are a lot of kind of activities through this program. One is concerning about the training that related with the village condition of village competency. Because as we know, as already presented by the Excellency of Vice Minister of Villages, Indonesian villages has many variation in all aspects. So not only in human in natural resources, but also in cultural resources. So that's why after maybe the people that are back from the other countries, that's we hope that they can also build their village by giving their own experience from other countries. So I do believe that's a lot of success story about maybe this this program. So that's why I really invite maybe to all of us maybe to have some of the best experience to document into like the films. So, ladies and gentlemen, that actually again I want to congratulate the web conference that's about like the films. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mr. Anwar Sanusi, PhD, for the welcoming speech to all of us. And next, ladies and gentlemen, kindly be invited Honorable Prof. Luisa Dell'Acqua, PhD from Bologna University, Italy, to deliver a special greeting on behalf of international speakers. The time is yours.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Luisa Dell'Acqua, Senior Cognitive Scientist, and I am speaking from Italy as adjunct professor at the University of Bologna. And I greet and thank all institutional and academic authorities and every stakeholder who supported this very interesting initiative. And I also greet the promoters and the speakers of this conference. I am honored to be here and to meet you. Let me also greet and thank my colleague and friend, Dr. M.D. Santo of Jakarta, who is no longer with us today, for his valued collaboration as my award research partner in innovative project as an international knowledge management expert. He was a blessed scientist and man of great generosity and passion for humanity. And I'm sure that he would have been happy to be here to welcome you all. Thank you so much. And I leave the stage to the chairman.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, before we move to the next schedule, let us watch a video from Irene M. Gureshi, PhD from Swinburne University of Technology, Australia, for her class tomorrow at Church Day.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the next, we will hear a presentation from Mr. Sandiaga Uno, Indonesian private sector representative and entrepreneur. The time is yours.
Thank you so much, and congratulations for the Bollywood International Conference. And I would like to give my sincere thanks to the organizers, to the Vice Governor, to my good friend, Vice Minister, and to also the SecGen of Manpower Ministry, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen from all over the world. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan, salam sehat, penuh semangat. I would be very quick in presenting my thought on how we could use this Bollywood event for creating some vaccine, not the health type of vaccine, but the creative vaccine that we would need in terms of how we adapt to the new reality in terms of the creative economy through this Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village. So from my home here in South Jakarta, I would like to present few of the facts that we are seeing of this unfortunate pandemic that has created not only the health crisis, but also economic crisis, and also the creative economy drop in terms of how creative industry is bracing the impact of the pandemic. This is the latest data that our team has collected, that more than 1,500 hotels closed. My thoughts, prayers, and really, I guess, hearts are with the people in the tourism industries and in the creative industry that we are facing very, very difficult situations. Close to $500 million of revenue has been lost on a monthly basis, and close to $1.5 billion of foreign exchange loss. In addition to that, and this is very important, 13 million jobs is at risk. So we need to quickly pivot, move into managing the crisis and mitigating the situations, and how do we create a program to stimulate the industry and provide jobs to the tourism manpower, and also revamping the destinations through the marketing, so that we are adapting to the new era of bubble tourism, and we could support the creative industry. Next, I want to present how do we open the sectors through very strict adoptions of health COVID-19 protocol. How do we reduce the public health risk, and how do we increase our economic benefit? So if you classify the roadmap to open this, is first to determine the health risk and try to bring it as low as possible. And then look at how it does benefit the economy in terms of creating jobs and also creating a stable cost of living. So it has actually two type of inputs, which is bringing the income level to a stability and also pushing down the cost that is actually now being burdened by families, in particular families in the lower economic strata. So we then will have the go zone, pivot zone, check zone, and wait zone. These are the SMEs that support the consumption economics, and including the creative industry as well. Very quickly, these are the sectors that actually present opportunities during the pandemic, from medical, teleconferencing, massive online open course, digital, food, biotech, legal, and clean energy. This digital include the streaming businesses that actually carry the creative industries, which ranges from culinary, fashion, all the way to animations and advertising. So the creative industries will have to adapt and pivot to continue working in this ever-changing landscape. A great lesson in the history is actually the Great Depressions. The Great Depressions inspired Hollywood's golden age. When the Wall Street crash of 1929, actually 60 to 80 million people went to the movies once a week or more, even in the death of the Great Depressions, because film is actually very effective in uplifting the spirit in terms of bringing optimism and creating new narratives when we are having very, very difficult adversity. So moviegoers also respond creatively. They lower the price, they innovate, they increase productivity, align the content with context, and adapt. So these days, cinema will not become the dominant medium because of the COVID-19, but there will be streaming services like Netflix and so on, and also local streaming services adopting to the new business model. I would leave 4 type of pillars that we need to do in terms of injecting this new optimism, that you need to be customer fanatics. You need to know what the market wants. You need to really have a good research on where the your customer really want to see the type of products. Second is enrich. Use local wisdom, nature and culture. Reborn with digital. Lower your costs, increase your revenue, and be part of a strong ecosystem. Create a village of creativity. That's what the Vice Minister for Village has said earlier. How do we take advantage of this? Is by doing exactly, I would use the word cost cutting, orderliness, virtualizations, integrations, and domestications, so that our product will be very competitive in the pandemic era. Thank you very much, and I'd like to remind everybody to continue to be optimistic. Hopefully this pandemic will be over if we are disciplined in terms of wearing face masks, washing our hands, and keeping social distance. Be safe, be healthy, stay strong. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om. Tuhan memberkati. Salam kebajikan. Shalom.
Thank you, Mr. Sandiaga Uno, for the presentation for us. Ladies and gentlemen, next short greeting say hello to Bali New Era, Bollywood Spirit, from Indonesian audience and international participants. Maybe the first one from Mr. Lion, from CEO World Movie Travel Company.
Speak tomorrow as well, and I'm so from the so stay on Indonesia. Am I back?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Oh, sorry, internet connection. So I think with this amazing project, we will solve the internet problems. My and also Mira Sevola. I want to thank you for this great opportunity, part of the from traveling Indonesia, and gonna share to you, of course, all what we've seen and all the great things that can bring the new project Bollywood to Indonesia and also to the world. So looking forward to talk to you tomorrow and share with you from the new future Indonesia. So much.
Thank you, Mr. Lion, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe the second one please Mr. Neil S. Patel from USA, India. Thank you for Mr. Sandiaga Uno to join with us before.
Thank you very much, and I look forward to interacting with you very soon, and success for Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village.
Thank you, Mr. Sandiaga Uno. So next, please welcome Mr. Neil S. Patel from USA, India. Mr. Neil is already. Okay, thank you. Next, maybe the third one. Please welcome Miss Grini S. Dewayanti, Director Genflix Indonesia.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. So, distinguished speakers from multi-industry, High Excellency Wakil Menteri Desa, Wakil Gubernur Bali, Director Ekonomi Kreatif, and all special participants for this conference. It is very great opportunity that we can meet up here to exchange the information and make collaboration between the movie producer, platform owner, and also the IP rights holder. My special thanks as well to Dr. Arvin, who organized all these things and make happen. I'm looking forward for further cooperation as well as come to Bali, which is hospitality is always in my heart. Thank you so much. Good afternoon for all.
Thank you, Mrs. Grini S. Dewayanti, Director Genflix from Indonesia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you tomorrow in your session. So the next, welcome Mr. Insinyur Agung Suryawan, PhD, Chairman Center for Tourism Excellence, Udayana University from Bali, Indonesia. Okay, for the next, welcome to Mr. Apuf Modi Ateknos.
Hey, hello. Yeah.
From India. Hello, Mr.
Hello, everyone. I would like to welcome everyone in this event, even one of the best event, great and thoughtful event. Let's share our knowledge. A special thank you I would like to say to Mr. Arvin as well as Bollywood team as well as Indonesia Government Associate to launch this event. So let's share our knowledge and we'll meet you soon today only. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Apuf from India. Nice to meet you. And next, please welcome Mr. Andrew Des from International Actor and Action Director from Spain. Okay, next, maybe Mr. Ivan Kajik already. Please welcome Mr. Ivan.
Hi, can you hear me well?
Yes, of course.
Okay, great. I want to say hi from Europe, from Croatia. I'm representing Stipe Norway. We are doing virtual effects for film and TV. It's great to be part of this project. It's really nice to see that there is cooperation between the government and really enthusiastic people. It sounds like it may be very, very interesting. So we are glad to be part of this project, and you will hear from me on day 3. Good luck to everybody.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ivan, for the short greeting to us. And ladies and gentlemen, now let us watch indie film trailer from Indonesian film community, Aku, Kamu, dan Makna Pula. Aku, Kamu, dan Makna Pulang, Me, You, and the Meaning of Home. Independent film by Indonesian Youth Film Community, directed by Yusuf Jaka Ardana, a film by Grid Studio, released on Genflix. Tell the story of Nat's journey in Jakarta, Indonesia, after her mother has passed away to find her father that runs away a long time before. She is accompanied by Yus, who is on his escape from the atmosphere of home. The divorced parents. The couple share a sense of being back to home.
Kalau misalnya arah Ragunan kemana ya, Bu? Oh, kalau arah ke Ragunan lewatnya Pancoran terus ke Mampang. Mampang Buncit, lempeng aja nanti itu sampai ke Ragunan. Coba mana lihat alamatnya? Ini, Bu. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ini mah ke Bogor, jauh banget. Kalau mau ke Bogor, ke Depok dulu. Terus Citayam, Bojong, baru ke Bogor. Ya Allah, kasihan amat. Ya, masih jauh ya, Bu? Jauh banget. Udah, makasih ya, Bu. Iya, sama-sama. Yus. Salah jalan lagi.
Kan gue bilang, Nat, gue aja yang megang maps.
Kan kamu yang bawa motor.
Gak usah sok peduli deh. Yang penting nyampe.
Lagian, keren banget sih mau bantuin orang. Pasti ada maunya nih ya. Maaf, Dek. Ini fotonya ketinggalan. Makasih ya, Bu. Iya. Makasih, Kek.
Makasih, orang cuma ngasih doang dia. Yakin masih mau nyari?
Udah 18 tahun, Yus. Udah mau lulus. Masa masih belum ketemu juga? Lagian, kasihan Ibu. Udah meninggal, tapi Ayah belum tahu. Aku juga nggak tahu mau pulang kemana. Ngapain?
Yaudah, ayo naik.
Gas nggak? Beli yang jauh loh.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the film trailer from Indonesian Film Community, Aku, Kamu, dan Makna Pulang. And next, let us watch together Mongolia film trailers, Afar, 10 Soldiers of Genghis Khan. This title available on Genflix.
Гуравдугаар жерний харагчин үхэрж ил.
Их хааны зарлагыг босготон.
өвөө. Энэ жил өвсний шим арай л эрт гүцээ.
Ээжтэй хүн өгдөггүй гэж үгтэй.
Эвээ минь гэж ямар амтны өрөө бол би өвөө оцтой уцаар ирсэн гэр бүхэн бай. Надаас битгий.
Задлыг нэг явахсаа.
Миний амь өвгөн отолчин гарт байна гэдгийг чи ухаарж байгаа биз?
Манай Чонсогийн ганцчилсан баатарын зөвцийг чонд идэвхтэй заншилтай. Их засаг хуулийн заасан ёсоор өөрчлөж хөдөх ялгаа болчихтой. Бас таны цэргүүдийг тарааж бусад арга тулдахгүй байх.
Apa dibilang nih? Neil sama Ahmad. Neil sama Ahmad. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all the trailer from Mongolia film trailer Araf. And the next, we will back to short greeting from Neil S. Petal from USA, India. Neil is already joined with us. Fahrid Ahmad and Niels.
Is it me, Rakila, or no?
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Hello.
Yeah. Please, the time is yours, Neil.
It's me, Nilesh Patel from Las Vegas. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, of course, Neil. Please say some short greeting. Say hello to Bali, Joera, Bali Good Spirit.
Sure, yeah, definitely. Hi, hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. Om Shanti Om. Namo Buddham. This is Nilesh Patel here from Las Vegas, USA. And I'm a filmmaker, producer, writer, director, and actor as well. And it is honor to be a part of the Bollywood film conference on a website. So I talked to the Arvind and I'm really excited to be a part of the Bollywood. I'm planning one project is like a romantic project, and definitely I will shoot in Bali when pandemic will be over by the next year. So that's what I'm planning right now, and more information I will talk to the Arvind. And one of my film on Mr. Deshi is called Illegal Journey of the illegal immigrant from the India to USA via Mexico. And that also I am releasing with Indonesian OTT market, with a subtitle of the local language. And Mr. Arvind, he is working on it right now. So, and thanks for inviting me here. It's a really huge honor. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Neil, for the greeting say to us today. And the next, we would like to call Mr. Farid Ahmad. Mr. Farid Ahmad, already joined us. Yes, please. The time is yours.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, of course. Mr.
Okay. Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Farid Ahmed from Dhaka, Bangladesh. It's my pleasure to be part of such a big event. and I'm eagerly waiting to enjoy the event, and also waiting to meet tomorrow with my new film project, Waiting for Winter. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Farid Ahmad, for the greeting to us. And ladies and gentlemen, and the last, before we move to government session, special session of forum, there are a few information from Mr. Ricky Leung from Quilo Games Limited Hong Kong to remind Apopia Cinema special screening session for the next day at second day of web conference. The time is yours.
Yeah, thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Ricky from Hong Kong and from Quilo Games Limited. I would like to say thanks to the Indonesian and Bali governments, the Bollywood team, and especially Arwen, who helped me a lot to join this event. Yeah, I'm so happy. It's my honor to show you my project, Apopia. Let me show you a little more about my current projects. Let me share screen with you. Up is oops, the screen dimension is not going right. Yep, so this is my current project called Apopia, and it is a cartoon animation. There are a lot of different colorful cartoon characters, as well as many stories you can see here. And we are going to use animations and games to tell the story. And the story is mainly about hope, friendship, and self-acceptance. And now I would like to show you the trailer of our first pilot episode, which is going to be on screen tomorrow at 1 p.m. There will be a full animation showcase, but now I would like to show you my trailer first. Yep. That's what's going on. Okay. Is the sound on?
Molly. It's a secret mission. No time to explain.
What? We don't even know what we're facing.
That we're going to find out together. It's all my fault. It's all my fault.
Yep, so it was a trailer. I hope you heard the sound, right? Was a sound shared as well?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, that's cool. I was worrying about this. Oh, by the way, in case you wonder what Apopia means, Apopia actually is a combination of two words, apocalypse and utopia. We use this name because we hope that we want to express the meaning that even if we are living in a difficult times as bad as apocalypse, we can still try to find our utopia by looking at the good things around us. So this is a message of our story, and the full animation will be shown tomorrow in this Bollywood event at 1 p.m. So please stay tuned and please look forward to it. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Ricky Leung from Quilo Games Limited Hong Kong, to remind to us for her session in next day, in second day of web conference. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all the opening ceremony of Bollywood International Web Conference of Villain Village. Now we will go to the next session, government special session of forum, which is will be hosted by Mr. Made Marlo Makaradwaja Bandem. Please welcome Mr. Marlo. Okay. Hello, Mr. Marlo. How are you today?
How are you? I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine. So let's continue the sessions, okay?
Okay. Please enjoy with Mr. Marlo in the government special session of forum. Thank you for your attention. Please, Mr. Marlo.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings from Bali, Indonesia. Once again, we welcome you to day one of the Bollywood International Web Conference of Film Village. My name is Marlo Bandem of ITB Stikom Bali, and I will be your host for the following two sessions. On behalf of the organizers, we once again convey our gratitude to everyone participating and supporting this wonderful virtual event. While we are a world apart in these challenging times, your presence, your creativity, and your solidarity is heartwarming and key to mutual success. We hope that all of the distinguished speakers and participants are well and feeling energized to follow and participate in all of the Bollywood sessions. So for 3 days, we will have engaging sessions that shall unearth the magnitude of the creative industry, especially in the fields of film, media content, multimedia, games, and as well as animation from all over the world. So we have an extensive schedule today, and let us start with the first session, which is the Government Forum Special Session, featuring two notable speakers, including Mr. Shaifullah, PhD. He is the Film, TV, Animation Director Deputy, Digital Economy and Creative Products of Tourism and Creative Economy Ministry, Republic Indonesia. And the second speaker is Mr. Fajar Tufail, PhD, from Indonesian Institute of Science, Senior Researcher in Game, Animation, and Digital Heritage, or LIPI. So to start this session, let us invite the head of the Abian Smile Village, Mr. Wayan Sutama, to deliver his welcoming speech. Mr. Sutama, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Mr. Marlo Bandem. It's very, very nice to be here. So, well, the most honorable Mr. Wamen, and then with the theme of decorative film, and then the honorable of Mr. Vice Governor of Bali, and then the honorable of Mr. Sandiaga Uno, and then the honorable of Director of Stikom Bali, Mr. Adan, and then the founder of Bollywoodland, Mr. Arvind Mirasalova, with Bollywoodland fame, and then to all the guests, the participants, it's very privileged that all of you are here with the program. So as the major of the village of Abian Smile Dahlia Chani village, that is famous for Bollywoodland village. So we are very, very great, and then we appreciate very, very much. And then all of our citizens, on the behalf of the citizens of Bollywoodland, feel very, very surprised that the Bollywoodland project is going on in our village. So, of course, it will support the village, and then the point is how we empowerment the citizens so they are becoming the subject as well as the object of the project. So once again, on behalf of the Abian Smile village, Abian Smile Dahlia Chani village, the Bollywoodland village, we thank you very much for this program. And then we have a dream that the Bollywoodland from Bali to Indonesia to the world. So once again, thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. I'll give the time back to the host of the program.
Yes. Thank you, Bapak Sutama, for your really warm greeting to all of us. I mean, we do appreciate what you are doing in the village, and it's very nice when you do have the empowerment in the village level that can really participate in this global domain. Thank you very much. So, ladies and gentlemen, before we commence, I would like to remind for all the speakers, please be watchful for the time allocated. And for the participants, please reserve your questions until the end of the panel session, and questions can be submitted via the chat function. So without further ado, please give your warm welcome to Mr. Saifullah, PhD, who will represent the Film, TV, Animation Director of the Deputy Digital Economy and Creative Products of Tourism and Creative Economy Ministry, Republic Indonesia. The time is yours, sir. Thank you. Do we have Mr. Saifullah, PhD, with us? Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marlo. I would like to share the screen. First, thank you to Arvin to inviting me to join this event, and then I would like to give a special honorable to Pak Dadang, Bapak Wagub, Wakil Gubernur Bali, kemudian Wakil Menteri, Bapak Wakil Menteri Desa, kemudian juga kepada Bapak Sekretaris Jenderal Kementerian Tenaga Kerja. For today event, I would like to share our talk about local content goes global. I want to start with a creative economy is a fuel of magnificence. The quotation is to show that why the creative economy is now become very important and strategic for Indonesia and also global. And you know that in the 2021, next year will be the year of creative economy. I want to update you about the Indonesian cinematic landscape. I want to show the several indicators to show that our cinematic landscape has grown. The first is the increase the number of local film production with more diverse content. And the second is the number of viewers in Indonesia. You know, Indonesia have 260 million people is the number for the most population country in the world. During the 5 years, the numbers of viewers increased by 320%. The number of screens continues to grow and spread, but still dominated in the Java Island. Currently, we have more than 2,000 screens. Emerging trend alternative cinema and paid film streaming services like VOD, over the top, also increasing. High number of workers in the film ecosystem, and also progressive trend of data culture Indonesia cinema as a tool for decision making. Now, why we see that as a government, we see that film industry is very important. The first is the growing industry. The film animation video is second highest of GDP growth rate in 2016 and also increasing year by year until now. And then the film have a multiplier effect. We have the local film we call Laskar Pelangi. The title is Laskar Pelangi. Who I like the story from the Bangka Belitung, the Belitung Island, and then because of this film, the numbers of tourists visit this island increased by 1,800%. And then also maybe the regional one is like a Crazy Rich Asia also impact the positive, give the positive impact to the tourism industry in Singapore. And then by using the film, we have like a multi-subsectors leverage. The complexity of film production will empower the growth of other industry, for example, music, fashion, design, culinary, craft, and also tourism. So I mean, we are so rich, we are so lucky, we have vast archipelago countries. We have more than 15,000 islands. We have 1,340 ethnic groups. We have 2,500 local language. And then we have 1.9 million square miles of land. The population also is quite huge. It's 260 million people. This impressive number also implies the significant cultural, ethnic, religious, and linguistic diversity. This can be the source of creativity to bring this IP, local IP, to the global. We have, there is some Indonesian film have international recognition of local content. So Skala Niskala in 2017, including Marlina si Pembunuh dalam 4 Babak, Babi Buta yang Ingin Terbang in 2008. And then in 2018, we have Kucumbut Tubuh Indahku. There is a Pengabdi Setan in 2017, Turah in 2016. So I mean, this is not only stop in this. Many Indonesian, local Indonesian movie also have international recognition. And then we have some supports. It's like we have work together with a few to make a few short to bring the millennial group in all regions in Indonesia. We have worked for more than 35 regions to make their own local stories to the national and bring into the few platform that publish in 16 countries. And then we also have our internal program. We have Akatara. It's the first Indonesia film pitching forum. And then we do hope that everyone in this are welcome to join with Akatara. And then we have for documentary Dogs by the Sea, Asia Animation Summit Forum. We have in Bali in 2020 and 2021. We have in Frame. And so many that we have not only for the movie, but also for animation, and then for the short movie film. And then we also bring we develop this incentive scheme and also the local film commission to support all the talent, local content, local talent to bring their local content to the national and global. This is what we can give it to you. I do hope that we can have more time to discuss or to answer your question at the end. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bapak Saifullah, for your really deep insights to the magnitude of the creative industry, especially in the fields of film in Indonesia. And as we know that there has been plenty of, the creation of